Well, here's my cat, Rory. He's been spending the time with me while I put this shed together. I went ahead and did three steps all in one, and then I'll talk about them since we have somewhat of an understanding of the methods for screwing in the rods and attaching the panels to the frame of the shed. I think I can go ahead and start talking about the parts I put attached or connected to the shed. So part 19 states to place two panels P1A. So it's labeled P1A, and P1A goes to each side corner that's next to P2. Then next to P1A goes P4A. So P4A. And you connect the bottom and the top to the rods. The rods on the top are 7 and 8. So 7 is on this side, on the right side, and 8 is on the left side. It's very windy, so I really wanted to get this installed before recording the videos. So you have to make sure and put these, I think they're labeled G2, these sliding gears, I don't know the name for them, rollers that roll along this. So 7, and you connect the screws. If you notice, there's these indentations in the beams are the sides that get the screws coming in. So you put this at the top corner, and then make sure they're lined up. I had one issue again with lining up right here. I put this extra screw here because this end could not meet that end. If it gets in the way, I'll just remove it and proceed. So as you can see, all the screws are in, and then the middle parts of P1A and P4A, what is it? P1A and P4A, they get the V2 screw, nuts and bolt, the V2 nuts and bolt, 2 on each side. One started going at an angle, so I put a washer just so it doesn't tear the metal. So that's steps 19, 20, and 21.